Good evening. We are making buko salad. This is all the ingredients. All angels ng buhay ko. Look at that condensed milk with a little bit fruit cocktail. Buko with open that one, Vine. I'll show them. Give it to Tamara. Mix well. And this is macaroni. Macaroni salad. Wow. Do you want to put cheese also, Vine? I think let put all the cheese.
But all cheese, get?
Yes! So it's...
Pero ano?
We are craving buko salad for so many months. It's been last year or 2003.
2003.
Oh my gosh. It's
Last year.
Last year of what? It's been last year.
Ito pa mas ano? Boarding house?
It's been last year like
Kamu pa rin Tita Marby kato nagkaha?
December?
Oo.
Okay, December. You're gonna put some cheese in it so it's nice and yummy, delicious. What else? Buko.
Ano ito ba? Siguro.
All mix it together with this. My gosh. The craving is done. Make it square.
Bigla siyang sumaksis.
Look at that.
Step by step.
It's been last year that we didn't
Sino na
make
vlogger
it.
na bigla siyang sumaksis.
Buko salad.
Step by step na lang. Nanood, arami. Chisera. Dapat po abin na botang.
Just make it.
Sa ano ra? Freezer.
I need
Freezer.
one. I think I need a one. I need one box or big. Tupperware. Make it small, Vine.
Ayun yun, naman manabi.
Small. It's not the way you cut. Oh my god.
Ano yan, creamy.
No. Not all can eat. Oh, it's still big. Once a year, it's fine. Once a year, right?
Okay mo, it's fine. Bahala ka tayo na.
Yeah, once a year.
Ikaw mo lang once a year. Ito lang basic ang kaon.
Where?
Sa Marina, Ron.
Oh my gosh. She says she's been eating for not only once a year. For me, I eat once a year. And I make it once a year, actually.
Siyempre, maduwa. Good man naman. Maduwa sa init.
Vine, it's full already. Make it small, Vine.
Paano pag small? Giduro, ganyan eh. Small.
I think I need to transfer this in the big pot.
Doon mo, hay. Mga small mo. Para sa ready yun yung mga dorog.
We're gonna mix with cheese, ginger,
Asian cheese, ano?
buko salad. It's in the Philippines.
Ay! Buko salad, macaroni salad. Di yung ano, gle. Ay, doble mo pa, get?
Yes. Mix it together. So here we go. We mix it now. A lot of cheese. Put so much cheese so it It's nice and yummy. I couldn't imagine that this is second time I make it. Nothing else to put that in. That's all. Salad. Can you give me one small bowl so I can
Nabukod masyadong tamis daya.
give your tito ulit.
Makrimi lang.
What?
Ayan.
Let's mix it.
Sabay ako naman nagtipot.
Ano pa butang natin else? Ayun, so big this. Ayun, oh.
Kaya
Buko. Oh, I don't have a green peas.
I hope.
That's why just now I forgot something.
Oh, may atin ba lata? Ubus na eh.
No. Can you give me a small bowl?
Ay, yan doon.
My God. I don't wash that.
Diba?
I wanna let him try.